Hello to everyone. Today our topic is how to search and find research articles from Science Direct. First, go to the Google and type Science Direct. Then you will get the option sciencedirect.com. Click on it. So you will get the window of Science Direct where you can find the journals, books with respect to volume, issue. With respect to keyword, you can find the articles as well as the suitable journals. This Science Direct is supported by elsewhere, so whatever journals and articles that you are searching, those are connected with only elsewhere publishing. If you want to find out a particular research area related papers, you have the option here, keywords option. In the keywords, you just type the keyword. For example, if you are working in antennas, you can type here antenna. If you are working in big data analysis, you can type big data analysis. Whatever keyword related to your research is there, that you can type here. And the second option is author name. So you can select, you can place the author name here, and with respect to author you can search how many publications that this person is having in the elsewhere journals. Similarly, you can search the journal, a particular journal or book title. With respect to that you can search with respect to volume, with respect to issue, with respect to the page number according to that journal or book. That also you can search. Okay, first we will do the basic search. With respect to keyword, I am going to present the search option in the Science Direct. In the keywords, type the term of your research area or keyword. I am typing here antenna and click here on the search option. Then you will get that particular keyword related results. That means how many journals, how many books, all those things you will get. Here, with respect to the keyword antenna, I got 90,644 results. Out of that, in a particular year, how many articles are there with respect to that you can see here. It is showing 2021 also. Some of the conference series proceedings they will release, the next year proceedings also they will release in advance. So that's why you are able to see 2021 related articles also. In 2020 3195, in 2019 5000, like that. Year wise, how many articles are published in the elsewhere journals related to that particular keyword you can see. Similarly, article type also you can observe whether those are review articles, research articles, encyclopedia or book chapters. All those options you can see. So publication title wise, access type also you can see. Open access, 8598 articles are published, and this is one of the best way to download the article. If the article comes under open access journal, then everybody can download that particular article and they can study. So those articles we can easily separate. Just have selected the option open access. Now you can see whatever articles that you are observing here, a planar inverted F antenna based chemical sensor for ion concentration. So whatever articles that you are observing, all those articles you can download directly, because all these articles are under open access. For example, I would like to read this particular article. Simply I will click on download. Once I click on download, I am able to see that particular article. I can download that article I can see that article, whatever that was published in that particular journal. It was published in sensor and actuators reports. And if you want to download, that option is given here. If you click, that article will be downloaded. So this is that. So this is the way of searching a particular keyword related article as well as downloading those articles from the Science Direct. Hope you understood how to do a basic search and how to download an article from Science Direct.